This is what I've been saying in my posts, no? This administration seems to be controlling all the mainstream media, no? Wala na talagang pumupuna from the mainstream media. And in fact, mainstream media and our broadsheets now, my apologies for saying this, no, have become a propaganda outfits, no, especially on with what's happening on the West Philippine Sea. Case in point, yung mga biggest newspapers natin, after the second humanitarian mission, quote-unquote, of the Atenito Coalition in the West Philippine Sea, no, the following day, iisa yung headline. Yung sa Philippine Star, sa GMA, sa ABS, sa Inquirer, ata yun. I think Bulletin did not carry it. But iisa yung headline. Ano yung headline? Ang headline doon is this.